What's up, guys? What's going on? And welcome to Money Talk Mondays, of which I'm going to give you guys a different topic and new information all about making money every Monday for several Mondays to follow. So if you have not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit your notification buttons, because when this episode airs, you guys are going to want to, get filled in with whatever today's topic is. In Money Talk Mondays, I'm going to be talking about everything money. Why am I going to be talking about everything money? Because there's a lot of you guys that are home, and some of you aren't doing anything. Some of you are trying to do something. So on this channel and on these episodes, I'm going to fill you guys with a ton of different ideas, avenues of which you could, then explore. First of all, just to give you guys a little background about myself, my name is Al Hugh Gale, and I am a licensed insurance agent. I've been a licensed insurance agent since 2017. And I've helped many families better themselves and their savings, and just get the proper protection in place. 2, I'm an active day trader, stock day trader. I've been trading stocks since 2008. So, my knowledge in stocks are very extensive, and, that's one of the main things I'll be teaching you guys, a lot of the fundamentals about that as well. 3, I do own a credit consulting company where I help consult people with their credit and help them improve their credit, and also, just kind of give people directions of which they could spend their money and better themselves as well. 4, I own an online e-commerce store. I own an online e-commerce store and also an eBay store, of which I have many, many different random products ranging from, kids to adults, electronics to toys, everything, that I've also sell. 5, I do build websites. I built several websites for different people that want to actually go down some of these avenues, and they have a product or they have an idea, and pretty much I help them to move forward with that product, with that idea, get it on the web, and then show them how they can also promote and or advertise that on different avenues. So as you can see, I'm what you call, some would call a jack of all trades. Some would just say, this guy just knows all kind of different stuff. You could call it what you want. I try to get involved in a lot of different things, because the more that I know is the more that I can offer, of which I am going to offer all of this to you guys in the coming episodes. Each episode's on Money Talk Monday is going to offer something different. Each time I'm going to, pick a topic, and I'm going to go over that topic with you guys. I'm going to, get a little bit in depth with it more to let you know how you can get certain things started and, start making money on your own. I will have the links in the description for my e-commerce or my credit consultant websites, where you guys could visit and check it out. If you want to support your boy, by all means, check it out. You let me know what you need. You guys could place whatever orders you need to place. What I'm going to be doing for you guys is I'm actually going to be having a lot of different entrepreneurs and business people come on, on this channel, and they're going to also introduce to you guys some of what they do. They're gonna let you know who they are. They're gonna let you know what business they're involved in, and how you guys can get started in those particular businesses. I am also gonna have a subscription service available to you guys coming soon. I am working on that as I record, and in that subscription service, you guys are gonna be able to dive in even deeper with whatever topic that you guys find that you need. And we'll be offering more one-to-one services to you guys, where you guys will be able to take you guys step by step, basically walk you by the hand to go through, doing whatever it is that you find interested or whatever you want to do. We're going to keep these episodes brief. We're going to keep these episodes fun. And, we're going to make it a learning curve. I'm definitely going to make it a learning curve for you guys. And, most importantly, I'm going to break a lot of things down into layman's terms, because a lot of information I'll be giving out to you guys is information. Some of the information is available, some of the information isn't. But what I realize is a lot of people, they use terms and they put a lot of stuff in that most people who, are not in whatever niche that we'll be talking about just don't understand. So I'll try to break things down a lot more and make things, more layman's terms so you guys can easily follow along. I will be getting more in depth for each of my subscribers, because they're the ones that I have to take by the hands and actually spend a lot more time with them. So once again, guys, do subscribe when I drop the subscription, and there'll be a lot more. Next Monday, the first topic is going to be stocks. Why did I pick stocks as the first topic? Because I realized in the stock market that the volatility has gone through the roof in the past couple months. Like, there's so much people that are just complete amateurs and they're trading stocks and they don't really know what they're doing, but they're trying, and that's okay. Sometimes you have to try and lose to actually win in life. So, it's okay. It's all a learning curve. But next week, Monday, make sure you tune in, because I will be talking about stocks, and I'll be going through a lot of the fundamentals, about stocks first. That way you guys have a better understanding of exactly what you're even doing when you get involved, with trading a stock. So guys, once again, make sure you hit that like, hit that subscribe button, and join me next week when we'll be talking about stocks. And I got a lot for you guys. There will be a lot coming. So until next time, guys, thank you and peace.